Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off read receipt in RCS chat in Samsung messages. So if you set to use the Samsung RCS messages and now you want to enable read receipt to find out whether the recipient have read the message or not, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or turn off RCS chats read receipt on Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung messages. Once open the Samsung messages, click on the three dots at the top right. Locate and click on settings. Now, once you selected settings, click on chat settings. So the chat settings page is meant for RCS on your Samsung phone. Now, make sure you turn on chat features. So with chat features, you'll be prompted to type in your phone number and then enable RCS chat, most especially if you use device like Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So in some other Samsung Galaxy devices, you may not see directly enable RCS chat, but the moment you say chat feature, you should say chat 101 or in groups over Wi-Fi or mobile network without using text messages. Now come down, locate read receipt. If this is disabled, go ahead, click on it once to enable it. And once you enable that, that is going to turn on read receipt on your RCS chat. So that is basically how to enable read receipt or how to disable read receipt on RCS chat on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.